So we're actually going to be using a while loop in our guess my number game, but let's take a quick look at a for loop in the interpreter just so you can get an idea of how to use the for loop. This one can be a little bit confusing. The numeric for loop in Lua is, like I said, a little bit different than what you might be used to. So I'm just going to start up the interpreter, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to make a simple loop. Let's just say for, and we're going to say I equals 1, comma, and let's loop until the value of 10. And then I'm not even going to specify an increment. If I don't specify an increment, it's going to automatically be 1. So this is a very simple form of a loop. And then we're going to say do. And now when I hit enter here, you can see that there's actually two greater than symbols, which means that it's waiting for something. So this is how the Lua interpreter lets you type multiple line commands into the interpreter. It knows that it needs an end for this loop to be able to be executed, or what in Lua they call a chunk of code. This code will be a single chunk that will get executed at once we type end. Before we do that though, let's go ahead and print I, so that'll be in the body of our loop. And then I'm going to go ahead and put an end. So now you can see it's counting from 1 to 10. Now we could modify this. Let's say we say for I equals, and we'll do something like 5. We're going to start at 5, and then we're going to say that we're going to count to 50, and we will make the step be 10. If we do that, and now we do a print I, and then our end, you can see it's basically counting by tens starting at 5. So we have 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, and then because the next number would be greater than 50, it ends the loop there.